Om Kramaya Namaha. The word Krama means a step. Any physical or mental or even an intellectual step is considered Krama. The Lord is taking all the steps, so the souls who are the reflections of Lord are following him. It is said in Mahabharata that Krante Vishnu, Lord Vishnu is there in the feet of all the beings. Ashwakrante, Rathakrante, Vishnukrante, Vasundhare. This earth, Mother Earth, is considered Vishnukranta, stepped over by Lord Vishnu, as she is his wife when he was Lord Varaha. Nrsimhastu antarikshastha Bhagavan Kramadevata. It is said by Acharya in his Aitariya Upanishad that Lord Narasimha is a deity of Kramapatha. The Vedas have three types of chanting systems: Samhita Patha, Pada Patha and Kramapatha. Lord Varaha is a deity for Samhita Patha. Lord Vamana is a deity for Padapatha, and Lord Narasimha is a deity of Kramapatha. The word Krama has other meanings also. Karoti tikra paricharika Lakshmi. Goddess Lakshmi, the wife of Lord Vishnu, is called Kra, as he does everything for him as his servant. And Ma means Lakshmi herself. Kra Ma Esasah Kramaha. The one who has a servant, an obedient servant, all-doing servant as Mahalakshmi is called Krama.